Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn employee advocacy program with Sprout Social, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore your LinkedIn employee advocacy program with Sprout Social, begin by logging into your Sprout Social account. Navigate to the listening tool on the left sidebar. Set up a new listening topic focused on your company's LinkedIn presence. Select relevant keywords and hashtags that align with your brand and industry. Once your listening topic is established, review the insights to understand engagement trends. Identify top-performing posts that resonated with your audience. Next, transition to the publishing section. Create a content calendar specifically for your employee advocacy program. Plan posts that showcase your organization's culture, values, and recent achievements. Encourage employee participation by tagging them in this content. This fosters a sense of ownership and motivates sharing. After scheduling your posts, move to the engagement section. Monitor comments and reactions from your audience regularly. Engage promptly with followers to build community and encourage more interaction. Now, head to the Reports tab. Generate performance reports to measure the impact of your advocacy program. Analyze metrics such as reach, engagement, and clicks. Share these insights with your team to highlight the value of their participation. Consider hosting a training session for employees who wish to boost their LinkedIn presence. Provide them with best practices for sharing content effectively. Highlight the benefits of increased visibility and networking opportunities. Create a dedicated space in your company for advocates to share their experiences. Encourage sharing success stories and lessons learned from engagement on LinkedIn. Regularly refresh your content to keep it relevant and engaging. Offer incentives for employees who actively participate in the program. Recognize top advocates publicly to motivate others. Continue to leverage Sprout Social's tools to refine and enhance your strategy. Stay responsive to changes in your audience's preferences and industry trends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.